Hi everybody, this is math. We're going to start with our place value chart like we usually do. So we'll need your place value chart and your money and your blocks for this, and then we'll move on with our hundreds chart. So I'm going to start by writing our number in standard form. It's the 15th day of school. Pen is squeaky. Alright, so now I'm going to put my blocks here. I can see I have a 1 in the tens column. So there we go. There's my 1 in the tens column. And then I have 5 here. So I'm going to take my blocks, my ones blocks, and I'm going to put 5 of them here in my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's my 1 10 and my 5 ones. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same thing with my money. I'm going to start with a dime. There's my dime. It's the little silver one. There's my 10. And now because I have 5 here, I'm not using pennies. You'll notice you don't have 5 pennies. We only use 4 pennies because then when we make 5, there's a nickel. It's the medium-sized silver coin that you have. So there's my 5. So when we do this, it's going to be 10, 15. Like that, just like when we're counting by 5s. Okay, and now I'm going to write my number in expanded form. So, how much is here in this column? There's 10. Plus, how much is here in this column? 5. And that's going to equal 15. Okay, so we're going to start by saying our number in standard form, 15, and then we're going to count our blocks, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then we're going to do our money, 10, 15. Now we're going to read our number in expanded form. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So there we go. Now we're going to erase. And I've got my pen and my eraser in with my money so I can find it real easily. So I'm going to put my money away. And I'm going to put my blocks away. I'm going to take out my spiral notebook. Because today is 15. 15, and everybody's gonna write a math problem that equals 15. So take a minute, write yours down. I'm gonna write mine, and then we can exchange. All right. So here's mine. I did some more repeated addition. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15, right? So there's 3 groups of 5. It's the same in each group, right? So this is how many groups? 3 times 5 will give us 15. So a repeated addition kind of leads into multiplication. And you can add that to your list, so you'll have 2 problems for today, or 3 if you include our multiplication problem. All right, so I'm going to take out my hundreds chart and my markers, and we're going to count by 5s twice. So here we go. So I'm going to put one color in the 5s column. Mine are purple and green. Yours might be red and yellow. We got a mix. Okay, and then I'm going to put the greens here in the tens column. Right, these numbers all are tens numbers. They end in 0. You'll notice that in each column, all the numbers end with the same number. So here all the numbers end with 5. Right here all the numbers end with 0. Okay, so here we go. We're going to count by 5s twice. If you couldn't find your materials, you're more than welcome to just count along with me. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. All right, let's do that again. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. All right, let's clean these up. Tomorrow we're going to continue with one more and one less, and we'll use the packet that's in your math folder. Okay, and now we're going to do our puzzle. So everybody has one of these. This is our hundreds chart puzzle. Everybody's is a little bit different. Eventually you'll need your glue. Okay, so I'm just going to start up here. Here's my one, if you can see. Okay, let me flip all my puzzle pieces over so I can see what they look like. Aha, I see something else that might go up here. There we go. So I want to make it so my columns line up, right? So like all my ones are going to go here. There we go. 8, 9, 10. I'm looking for some more teens numbers. Oh, here we go. There's that. So everybody's puzzle's a little bit different. The kids and I cut these apart a couple weeks ago, so I don't know what everyone else's MO was for that. So I'm going to move this over because it's gonna end up going off the side. There we go. Let's see. All right, so there's this. There's this. Maybe one of these is 66 and one of these is. All right. I have. I appear to be missing some. Hopefully yours are not. Here we go. Unless I left some in the bag. I didn't. Okay. There's this. Okay. Oop. So, might not be perfect, but it's going to be close. I seem to be missing some here. My guess is some other people have those. Okay, if you're missing some, because like I said, the kids helped me with this, we can just write them in. In between 35 and 37 is going to be 36. I also know that because everything in this column is going to end in a 6. 6, 16, 26, 36. This, crikey. Okay, so maybe we should glue this down before we start writing. So then this is going to be 46, and 1 less than 46, or 1 more than 44 is 45. Dun-dun-dun. All right. So now we're going to glue that together and we're going to have a hundreds chart. So there's our hundreds chart puzzle. And that is all we are going to do for math today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.